In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to QuickBooks Online. If you're a business owner or freelancer using QuickBooks Online to manage your finances, connecting your PayPal account can save you a lot of time. It allows QuickBooks to automatically import your PayPal transactions, so you can easily track, categorize, and reconcile them without manual entry. This step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can find a registration link in the description below. Now let's get started. First, open QuickBooks Online and locate the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main hub for accessing the various tools and features QuickBooks offers. Next, click on Transactions. This will take you to the area where all your connected accounts are managed. Depending on your version of QuickBooks Online, you'll either see Bank Transactions or Banking. Select whichever option appears in your version to move forward. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see a button labeled Link Account. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a window that allows you to connect new financial accounts to QuickBooks. Once the connection window is open, type PayPal into the search bar. A list of options will appear, and you'll want to carefully review these. Depending on your account type, whether it's a business account, a credit account, or even a crypto-enabled PayPal account, you'll need to select the option that matches your situation. Some options may also be region-specific, so make sure you're choosing the one that fits your needs. After selecting the appropriate PayPal option, you'll begin the authentication process. A secure window will pop up, prompting you to sign in to your PayPal account. Enter your login credentials and follow any prompts to grant QuickBooks permission to access your PayPal transaction data. At this point, PayPal may require you to complete multi-factor authentication for added security. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone or email, so be sure to have access to those if needed. Once you're authenticated, you'll be asked to select which PayPal sub-accounts you'd like to connect. For example, you might have a main account and a secondary account for specific purposes. Choose the ones you need, and then specify the date range for importing transactions. This range determines how far back QuickBooks will pull in your PayPal data. After confirming your selections, the connection will be established, and you'll be returned to QuickBooks Online. At this stage, QuickBooks will begin importing your PayPal transactions. These will appear in the Bank Transactions tab, though it may take a few moments for everything to load. If your transactions don't show up immediately, don't worry. Use the Update or Refresh option within the Bank Transactions tab to prompt QuickBooks to sync with your PayPal account. Once your transactions are visible, it's time to review, categorize, and match them to your existing records. This step ensures your financial data stays accurate and well organized. If your PayPal account operates in multiple currencies, you may need to adjust your QuickBooks settings to accommodate this. Make sure to enable the necessary options for multi-currency tracking if applicable. Finally, if you realize you selected the wrong PayPal account or option during the setup process, you can always disconnect and reconnect the account. Simply go back to the Link Account section, remove the incorrect connection, and repeat the process with the correct choice. And that's it. You've successfully linked your PayPal account to QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.